Week, the sun finally returning to Acadiana today. Mild temperatures, but not too terribly bad. And the forecast this weekend, some pretty nice weather will be in store. So get out and enjoy it if you can, because as we head into next week, especially early next week, our next storm system is going to get here. And we'll have the potential for a few severe storms, especially Monday night going into portions of Tuesday. So we'll take a look at that Thanksgiving week forecast in just a second. First off, let's go ahead, set the stage with the upper level pattern, and we still have this dominant ridge of high pressure off to our south and west, centered across Mexico, and a little bit of an upper level disturbance. And we're actually going to be on the back side of this feature over the next couple of days, and that's actually going to help to usher in a weak cool front a little bit later on tonight. Not a whole lot of fanfare with the front, and actually initially we won't feel too much in the way of any sort of difference, but actually it's going to be kind of chilly by Sunday morning, with readings eventually dropping into the upper 40s. So we'll show you that in just a bit. But here we go with the satellite radar composite. You can kind of see the frontal boundary taking shape here just off to our north. So that'll swing through pretty quietly overnight tonight. Not looking at any major issues. In fact, Power Doppler 3 is quiet early this evening. So if you're heading out for your Friday evening plans, not foreseeing too many issues out there for sure. Outside of the fact that we could see some patches of fog in spots a little bit later on tonight through daybreak tomorrow morning. There goes that front pretty quietly tonight. Temperatures upper 50s to lower 60s eventually, so that's where we'll start the day tomorrow. Mixture of sunshine and clouds throughout our Saturday, so a pretty nice looking day. Temperatures mild but comfortable, low to mid 70s. Northerly winds will come in at around 6 to 13 miles per hour. And here's what I'm talking about Sunday morning. There will be a little bit of a chill in the air, upper 40s for most of us, so maybe at least a light jacket first thing Sunday morning. And then a mostly sunny sky into our Sunday afternoon. Dew points will be lower, so we will notice a reduction in our humidity to round out the weekend. Stays mild but very comfortable, mid 70s for those high temperatures. And then clouds will be rolling on in Sunday night ahead of our next weather system that'll get here late on Monday. Most of Monday probably dry. Now, out ahead of this front, we are going to see temperatures climbing to near 80 degrees. A few showers arriving late Monday afternoon, but you can see the bulk of the showers and storms hold off until Monday evening and then heading into Monday night. And as mentioned, some of these storms could be on the strong to perhaps severe side. So we'll be watching that closely for you. And then European model, a little bit faster than the GFS model, kicks the showers and storms out of here pretty quickly on Tuesday. So we'll see how those details come into better focus through the course of the weekend. And then a little bit of a chill in the air for the rest of our Thanksgiving week. Wednesday afternoon, high temperatures, lower 60s, and then notice upper 30s to lower 40s. Possible first thing Thursday morning. Of course, that's Thanksgiving. And then a mostly sunny to partly cloudy sky for our Thanksgiving afternoon, with temperatures pretty cool, upper 50s to lower 60s. Now, tropics not dead quite yet. Of course, the end of the hurricane season at the end of this month, but we do have potential tropical cyclone number 22 here near the Caribbean islands, and that's going to be impacting portions of the islands heading into tomorrow. Could briefly achieve tropical storm status. If so, the name would be Vince, but notice it's going to be taking a track more so out into the open waters of the Atlantic. So good news there down the line. As far as in the short term, readings eventually heading for the upper 50s to lower 60s. So that's where we'll start our Saturday, low to mid 70s into the afternoon. Under a mostly sunny to partly cloudy sky. Here comes that brief chill first thing Sunday morning. Most of us upper 40s, but mid 40s possible. Ville Platte, Alexandria on northward. And then Sunday afternoon pushing into the mid 70s with that lower humidity and mostly sunny skies across the area. 60 will be the projected low tonight. Clouds will kind of come in and out throughout the night. We'll say seasonably mild temperatures, and as mentioned, some patches of fog possible in spots later on tonight, but shouldn't be a major issue. 74 your projected high tomorrow. Mixture of sunshine and clouds, again with the northerly breeze coming in 6 to 7 upwards to 13 miles per hour during the afternoon. 74 Sunday. Here comes that weather system late Monday, early Tuesday. Pretty good chance of showers and storms. Maybe about 1 to 2 inches is the way it's looking for now. But again, we'll see how that plays out the days ahead. Thereafter, a little bit of a winter chill just in time for Thanksgiving. We'll say high temperatures, upper 50s to lower 60s, with your overnight lows settling into the 40s. So we'll take that for sure. 60 the projected low tonight, about 74 tomorrow afternoon for Election Day. under partly cloudy skies. We'll have to look at weather for now, but stay with us. We'll have more coming up after the break.